In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build your own custom Copilot GPT with Copilot Pro. Before we dive in, make sure you have an active Microsoft Copilot Pro subscription. The GPT builder lives behind the Pro plan, so you won't see the creation tools without it. Once that's set, open your browser and head to copilot.microsoft.com, then sign in with your Microsoft account. On the homepage, look for the area labeled Copilot GPTs. Select Create a new Copilot GPT to open the builder. If your layout looks a little different, that's okay. Microsoft updates the interface regularly. The option to create will be near the Copilot GPTs list once you're on Pro. You'll start in the Create tab, where you define what your GPT is for. Give it a clear, specific name that signals its job, like Marketing Content Writer or Internal Policy Assistant. In the instructions box, explain how it should behave. Describe the tone, the audience, and the style you expect, and list things it should avoid. For example, you might ask for concise, skimmable answers for busy executives, or a friendly, explanatory tone for customer support. The more concrete your guidance, the better the results. Next, choose capabilities. Turn web browsing on if your GPT needs current information from the internet. Enable image generation if you want it to create visuals, and allow file uploads if users will provide documents to analyze. Only enable what's necessary to keep outputs focused and predictable. Under Knowledge or Grounding, upload files like PDFs and docs or add URLs to give your GPT trusted content to rely on. Use clean, relevant, non-confidential materials, and prefer well-structured documents. Clear file names and up-to-date references make it easier to maintain your GPT over time. Switch to the Configure tab to refine and test. Use the Preview pane to try real tasks your users will ask for. If the tone or structure isn't quite right, return to Create or Configure and add direct feedback such as be more concise, use tables for comparisons, or cite from the uploaded files. Test several scenarios, including edge cases, and iterate until responses are consistent. When you're satisfied, click Save. You can keep the GPT private for your own use or generate a shareable link so others can try it. If you share it, test the link in a fresh browser session to confirm it behaves as expected. You can update instructions or knowledge later without changing the link, so keep refining as your needs evolve. And that's it. Your custom Copilot GPT is ready to go.